What happens when our cheerful plumber Mario takes a wrong turn in the Mushroom Kingdom? Today, we're giving Mario a playful undead makeover. Meet Zombie Mario. Grab your pencils and digital tablets, let's have some fun reimagining this gaming legend with a spooky twist. Let's start with the basics, keeping Mario's lovable shape, but adding a little bit of undead flair. We're sketching his classic overalls, that recognizable cop, but adding some fun grips and crops. He's still Mario, just a little past his prime. Now comes the fun part, zombifying Mario. We're adding those little details that make him more spooky, but still fun.
Zombie Mario, crawling slow in a world where the wind won't blow. Coins are rust and time stands still. Undead
He's still the Mario we know and love,
I can't get
just with a
my
few
fill.
extra holes
The
here and there.
Goombas run, the Koopas hide, hide. Luigi, zombie
Inking is where Mario's undead transformation really starts to shine. With each stroke, we bring out the fun side of his zombie makeover. His mustache, cracked but still iconic. The eyes, hollow but playful. This is Zombie Mario, cute and creepy in equal measure. It's color time. We're keeping it light, but with a zombie twist. His skin gets a fun greenish tint, but nothing too spooky. And his red cup, it's still there, just a little faded. After all, it's been through a lot.
The pipes are broken and nothing's fine. I once had lives high, now I have none. Heaven did forever. My story's done. Story's done. Sorry, Jen. Sorry, Jen. Story's done. Story's done. Sorry,
Shading adds depth, but we're keeping it playful.
Zombie Mario black, crawling slow in a world where the wind won't blow. Coins are rust and time stands still. Undead Mario high, can't get my thrill. No more one-ups, no more runs, no more battles, no more fun. I'm just a shadow of what I was in Zombie Mario. Be just because Zombie Mario.
The shadows are soft, and the cracks on his clothes. We're going for fun rather than fear. He's a lovable zombie after all.
Coins are rust and time stands still. Undead Mario high, can't get my thrill. Once a hero, now our own show. In the dark, far from home. Mushrooms gone, stars don't glow. Zombie Mario, I'm slow. Brains that seek place decay. Undead.
And there he is, Zombie Mario, the cutest plumber turned zombie you've ever seen.
Mario, I'm here to stay. In this world, the skies are gray.
If you had fun bringing him to life, or unlife, don't forget to hit like, follow, subscribe, and tell me in the comments who I should transform next. This artwork is available at Etsy for digital download, as well as on TeePublic and Redbubble for print products. Just search for Andoy Creatives. DM me for commission works.